Hello students, how are you all? So today we are going to go through our next chapter, that is chapter number 5, invention. Now do you know what are inventions? Inventions are that you see all around yourself. These are inventions. For example, tube light, bulb, computers. What are these? These are all inventions. So in this chapter we are going to read about a boy, a smart boy who invents smart bell. A small smart bell. So in this part 1, small boy invents small bell. Now actually this is an article taken from a newspaper of England, UK. In England, UK, an article was there in a newspaper from which day? That is June 2011. Now, in this, a British boy whose name was Lawrence Rook, a British boy whose name was Lawrence Rook, he was 13 years old from South England. From where he was? He was from South England. So he invented this small bell. So an article was printed in a newspaper about him. This bell, this doorbell exactly works like the other doorbell works as today. Like it was like a regular doorbell. When the visitors come, they ring the doorbell and the owner answers the doorbell by opening the door. It works usually how the other doorbell works. The visitors comes, they ring the doorbell and the owner of the house, the owner answers the doorbell by opening the door. Students, in part 1, in the previous part, we have already known about the boy, a British schoolboy who was 13 years old, named Lawrence Rook. So he invented a doorbell, a smart doorbell, which can help the owners of the house to know whether the burglars are outside or not. So in UK, generally what happens, the burglars first, before entering the house to steal anything, they ring the bell and they come to know whether the owner is there at home or not. And if the owner is not there at home, they move into the house and steal things. So in UK also the burglars do the same thing. So for that, Lawrence Rook invented a doorbell which was working same as it is like another doorbell, but there was something very different from the other doorbells. Now this we will know in another part 2.
Hello students. So now today we will be reading our fifth chapter from English 1, Inventions. In Invention, here we are going to read part 1. A smart boy invents a smart bell. Now here a newspaper report is taken from England, UK from the date of June 2011. In this, a British schoolboy who will earn up to 20.5 lakhs for his invention of a doorbell that fool the burglars into thinking that somebody is at home in an empty house. Now this is a report in a newspaper from in England where a schoolboy, British schoolboy, who earned 20.5 lakhs for his invention of this special doorbell that he made for fool the burglars, and that the burglars will think that somebody is at home, but actually the house is empty. Now the name of this British schoolboy is Lawrence Rook. He is 13 years old from southern England, and he is the inventor of the smart bell. A smart bell that actually works like a regular doorbell, where usually the visitors ring the doorbell to let the owner of the house know that someone is at the door, and the owner answers the doorbell by opening the door to admit the visitor. But what if no one is at home? Then no one will answer the doorbell and the visitors will go away. But if no one is at home, then no one will answer the doorbell and the visitors will go away. Sometimes in UK, burglars ring the doorbell. In UK, sometimes burglars ring the doorbell. If no one answers, then they may go into the empty house and steal things. The burglars of UK, when they know that no one is at home, the house is empty, they move into the house and steal things. However, if no one answers the smart bell does something special. But with this smart bell, if someone if someone is outside the house, so the smart bell answers, but it does something special.